All right, so if you're seeing a network error on Binance, yeah, it can be annoying. But most of the time, it's something simple you can fix in a few minutes. Let's go step by step. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes it. Now close the app or browser completely and reopen it. Yeah, sometimes that's all it takes. If you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies. For mobile, clear the app cache in settings. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. It can block Binance servers or cause connection issues. Make sure your Binance app or browser is updated to the latest version. Sometimes Binance servers are down or under maintenance. In that case, you'll just need to wait. If it still doesn't work, try logging in from another device to see if the issue is device specific. And if nothing fixes it, contact Binance support. They can help you figure out what's going on. And yeah, that's how you fix Binance network errors. Just go through these steps and you'll usually solve it pretty quickly.